DCL's machining workshop has equipped with one CNC slotting machine, one CNC milling machine, one CNC lathe, and several manual drilling machines. We hire experienced and skilled workers to ensure machining quality. Though most parts of DCL's products are produced by long-term cooperated suppliers, this self-owned machining workshop can shorten the delivery time when facing customers' special requirements for couplings, valve brackets and enclosures, etc. Moreover, for special models, the machining workshop can also help customers save costs.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.